Hi friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Kitchen. Today I am going to share a perfect home remedy for cough and cold. You will be surely amazed by the results. To make this remedy, we require only 5 ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, half a lemon, 1 inch ginger, pinch of salt and few tulsi leaves. Now take a crusher and add few tulsi leaves and ginger into it. Make it into a smooth paste. Tulsi leaves with its antiseptic property helps a lot with dry cough. On the other hand, ginger helps in soothing scratchy throat pain and irritation of sore throat. Now turn on the stove and place a pan into it. Now add this ginger and tulsi paste into it and add 200 ml of water into it. Let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, take a glass and add 1 tablespoon of honey and half a lemon and squeeze it into it. Honey with its antibacterial properties that helps in getting rid of harmful coughing bacteria. The sweetness of honey stimulates the salivary glands and induces the release of mucus through airways and restricts for the formation of mucus, thereby providing complete relief from coughing. The decoction of honey, hot water and lemon helps in calming throat, clears the irritating airways. Now you can see the water was boiled completely. Mix it with a spoon or ladle. The water was decreased to half of its volume. Now turn off the stove and filter this water through the strainer into the container. You can see the water was boiled well. Squeeze it with a spoon. Now the perfect home remedy of cough and cold is ready. You can see it's very nice. You can have it 3 times a day for a week. You will be amazed by the result. I personally experienced this. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more healthy tips and